Hello there! You will agree with me that capturing the hearts of children is a challenge. Keeping their attention is even a bigger challenge. But worry not, I have a solution for you. I present to you the Promethean Active Board. Now with this board, you can transform your standard lesson into interactive activities for your children. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you need this board in your classroom. Join me. 1. Enhanced lessons. Interactive whiteboards integrate various lesson styles into one experience. 2. The Promethean Active Board allows children to interact with the learning material. They become a part of the lesson and can even teach each other. 3. Flexibility in the classroom. Various media types can be displayed on an interactive whiteboard, whether photos, graphs, maps, illustrations, or videos. Teachers can have an abundance of options to make lessons interactive and entertaining. 4. Integrated technology. The Promethean Active Board technology allows for the integration of various other technologies to enhance student learning. 5. Proving effectiveness. Students are more attentive in the classroom and comprehension improves. Having the right tools in your toolkit always makes the biggest difference, especially in the classroom. Equip your classroom for success. Call New Genesis Education Group on 0262 714106 to purchase an interactive whiteboard for your school.